What if happiness isn't found in what we have, but in how we see the world? Imagine a young woman named Lily who spent years chasing possessions and titles, only to feel emptier with each achievement. One day, during a spontaneous walk in a park, she helped a lost elderly man find his way home. In those simple moments of connection and gratitude, she felt a warmth she hadn't experienced even during her grandest successes. Why did such an ordinary act bring her more joy than anything else? Perhaps it was the realization that true happiness comes from the bonds we create and the kindness we share. Each day following that experience, Lily started to seek joy in small acts and meaningful relationships instead. And through this shift, she discovered that happiness had always been right there, waiting in the simplicity of life's most genuine moments.